Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to help you untangle one of the most common headaches in Figma, dealing with a jungle of layers. If you've ever opened up a Figma file only to see dozens, maybe hundreds, of layers sprawling out like an unruly to-do list, don't worry, you're not alone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly tidy up your workspace by collapsing all your layers, making it so much easier to find what you need and keep your projects organized. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're designing a complex app interface or a packed landing page. Over time, your layers panel starts getting longer and longer, until it feels almost impossible to track down the exact button, image, or text box you want to edit. It's like pulling open a file cabinet and seeing every folder exploded open at once, completely overwhelming. Luckily, Figma has a built-in shortcut to collapse all those messy layers with a single keystroke. Here, how it works. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Option and the L key together. So just press Option plus L on Windows. You'll do the same thing with Alt plus L. Pressing this shortcut instantly collapses every open layer in your layers panel, tucking all those nested frames, groups, and objects neatly away. This is a massive time saver, especially when your project grows and layers start to multiply. You don't have to click through each parent group individually. Instead, everything collapses at once, restoring a clean, manageable workspace. Now, maybe you prefer not to memorize shortcuts, or maybe you just missed it. Figma's got you covered with an on-screen option as well. Take a look at the top right corner of the Layers panel, and you'll spot a button that looks just like a set of collapsing layers. Go ahead and give that a click. It does exactly the same thing, folding all your layers down so you can breathe easy and focus on what really matters. But what if you don't want to collapse all asterisk layers? Maybe you're just working inside a particular frame or group, and you want to tidy up that specific section. No problem, just click to select the parent layer for that frame or group. Once you have the right parent layer chosen, you can use that same shortcut, Option plus L on Mac, Alt plus L on Windows, or click the Collapse button and boom. Only the layers inside your selected frame or group will collapse. This is perfect for when you're zeroed in on a particular part of your design, but want to keep other areas expanded for reference or continued editing. If any step feels tricky or if you're not seeing things collapse right away, double-check that your Layers panel is active and that you've selected the area you want to affect. Sometimes it takes a couple of moments for your eyes to adjust to the neater workspace, too, a bit like when you finally clean off a cluttered desk. That's all there is to it. Mastering this quick trick will make you so much faster and more organized in Figma, clearing away digital clutter in an instant. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop them in the comments. I'll be here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tips and design guides just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.